Action.
Hi guys, Ronnie and Mindy here with R&M Arms on Tuesday, February 4th for our second video of the day. We are going to draw for this Ruger SF-AR 308 AR-10. We have 200 tickets in the hopper. It's going to be a long one. The last one's going to be the winner.
Ready?
Yep.
The next raffle's gonna be pretty cool, but we'll do this one first. Ready for lunch tickets? I'll give you 190.
Okay. Tommy Wilson, Josh Morrison, Madison Rollins, Steve Holmes, Kaylee Wilson, Dakota White, Tommy Wilson, Josh Porter,
No relation.
Charles Greer, Kaylee Wilson, Colton Atkinson, Morgan Britton, John Smith, Josh Morrison, Avery Beam, David Howell, Terry Winstead, Josh Morrison, Steve Roberts, Colby Petty, Morgan Britton, Charles Greer, Brandon Johnston, Jeffrey Harden, Dakota White, Colton Atkinson, Mark Mosier, James Jordanoff, Bryce Holsey, Josh Morrison, Jacob Bodman, Josh Kastrop, Jared Shepard, Josh Morrison, Josh Porter,
No relation.
Josh Morrison, Nicholas Reed, Jacob Bodman, Justin Hurley, Ryan Flannery, Josh Morrison, Steve Roberts, Jesse Trejo, Michael McLean.
Get a handful there. Boom.
Ralph Ford, Brandon Johnston, Mason Ague, John Hoppus, Josh Morrison, Jeff Evans, Morgan Britton, Josh Kastrop, Avery Beam, Morgan Britton, Josh Kastrop, Nicholas Reed, Josh Porter,
No
Josh
relation.
Morrison, Michael McLean, Avery Beam, Brandon Johnston, Steve Roberts, Brandon Johnston, Avery Beam, Tommy Wilson, Jared Shepard, Brandon Johnston, Kenny Idle, Morgan Britton, Tommy Wilson, Michael McLean, Colby Petty, Weston Kurlick, Jordan Freeman, Logan Gillick, Jared Shepard, Jeff Evans, Clay Hurley, Colby Petty, Derek Curtis, Clint Bailey, Josh Morrison, Chisholm Johnson, Jeffrey Harden, Colton Atkinson, Avery Beam, Mason Ague, Josh Kastrop, Ralph Ford, Steve Holmes, Avery Beam, Jordan Freeman, Josh Morrison, Jordan Freeman, Tommy Wilson, Josh Morrison, Madison Rollins, Chisholm Johnson, Steve Holmes, Jesse Trejo, John Hoppus, Steve Holmes, Nicholas Reed, Jeff Evans, John Hoppus, Nicholas Reed, Steve Holmes, Brandon Johnston, Michael McLean, Colby Petty, Ralph Ford, Josh Morrison, John Smith, Jeff Evans.
She got your water. Boom.
Okay. William Dunn, Morgan Britton, Mark Mosier, Josh Kastrop, Jesse Trejo, James Jordanoff, Morgan Britton, Ralph Ford, Charles Greer, Josh Morrison, Colby Petty, Andrew Smassel, Clint Bailey, Max Morrison, Tommy Wilson, Josh Castrop, Braden Fulton, Steve Holmes, Charles Greer, Josh Morrison, Brian Flannery, Josh Morrison, Kenny Idle, Madison Rollins, Daryl Lancaster, John Hoppus, Morgan Britton, Madison Rollins, Clint Bailey, Ryan Flannery, Steve Holmes, Cody King, John Smith, Madison Rollins, Josh Castrop, Colton Atkinson, Michael McLean, Morgan Britton, Jesse Trejo, Jeffrey Harden, Jacob Bodman, Avery Beam, Kenny Idle, Josh Morrison, Colton Atkinson. Whew.
Hang on. Let me stop here. There.
Okay. Kenny Idle, Jesse Trejo, Josh Morrison, Brandon Johnston, Daryl Lancaster, Steve Holmes, Tommy Wilson, William Dunn, Jared Shepard, Josh Castrop, Avery Beam, Robert Russell, Weston Kurlick, Ryan Flannery, Derek Curtis, Avery Beam. They're both upside down. Josh Castrop, Nicholas Reed, Colton Atkinson, John Hoppus, Brandon Johnston, Jesse Trejo, Colby Petty, Brandon Johnston, Bryce Holsey. Morgan Britton, Brandon Johnston, Charles Greer, Tony Wilson, Joe Johnson, Josh Porter, Steve Holmes, Jeffrey Harden, Steve Holmes, Joe Johnson.
Like 5 or so left in here?
Yeah, 4 or 5. Looks like 5.
5 left. Okay. Reach my hand in here and get them. Well, I'm gonna leave 2 of them there.
Okay. Derek Curtis, Josh Morrison. So we have 2 left. Last 2.
You ready?
Yep. Tommy Wilson.
Last one.
Last
Winner.
one. This one's the winner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
It is Avery Beam. Congratulations, Avery. You won the Ruger SFAR 308. So come see us and get that paperwork done.
The next one is super cool. Requested.
It is a Ruger 1022 little bull barrel, threaded barrel with a dead air mask, a 22 suppressor. We'll be paying the tax stamp on this one. It's already got the rail. It's got some cool peep sights or iron sights on it. We're doing 150 tickets at $10 a piece on this one, and we'll start that one tonight.
Starts now.
So,
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.